All right, guys, welcome back to another episode here at Nico Brothers. Now, in today's episode, we're gonna get the Mustang, all the little final details done on it. We're gonna get a lot of little stuff that just you have to do to get it done.
Yeah, just gonna go through it, wrap it up, and try to finally get it out there. Can we do it? Get it outside finally. I mean, it's been on the lift too long. I wanna get out there, wash it, and drive it. Yeah, so that's the goal for today.
Also, we want to do a giveaway, guys. We got another sign that we made. It's a Shelby plaque right there. So stay tuned, and at the end of this video, we're going to tell you how you can enter it.
Guys, another tip for you. If you're putting aftermarket wheels on, you have to watch out for these retaining washers. They come stock from the factory, and on regular OEM rims, there's an indent cut out for it. But our aftermarket rims don't have that. So if you're gonna try to put that on, it's not gonna sit flush against the rotor, and then it won't be straight, or you're gonna feel some vibration. So go ahead and always take those off. Just another tip. Looking good.
Guys, that's all the time we got for today. We got a lot of progress done on the Mustang. We got the side skirts back on. We got the fender liners. We got little brackets. A lot of little stuff we did, and it's turning out really nice, guys. Unfortunately, we did drive it outside the shop, and it's kind of bogging down. The mass airflow sensor is missing. We thought we could drive it, but it just doesn't seem like it has the power for it. But everything's turning out really nice, guys.
Yeah, it's coming to an end. We're wrapping up. And like we're talking about that giveaway in the beginning of the video, all you gotta do is comment Gt500 in the bottom of this video. We'll put all the details in the bottom of the description so you could read it, see what's going on. And probably our next Mustang video that we're gonna have, we'll announce the winner.
Yeah.
All right.
So if you guys like this video, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe, guys, and hit that
subscribe. Yeah, guys, support us. We appreciate it.
And hit that notification button.